I just want to show you something. I filmed this morning, and when I was playing it back, I realized something. I don't think I'll go into it, actually. Don't think I'll go into it. I'll leave it for another time. But anyway, this is all goes back to frequency 418. That's the frequency of the sky. I wish I could say more right now, but it's been an exhausting day and my brain has had enough. I don't think I will be doing any more filming of the sky. I don't think I need to. Anyway, whenever I try and do something involving frequency 418, even if I'm just thinking about making a video explaining frequency 418, which I believe is blue beam, the directed energy, that all of it, something happens. I have trouble uploading, I have glitches everywhere, nothing but issues, and I get targeted extremely with the frequencies, so I keep putting it off. And the latest shenanigan was the OBS not recognizing this video when I tried to do it, like make a proper video, edit a video in here. I was trying to find it in my files and it didn't exist, so I'm just doing it through the desktop. It was the only way I could do it. We're looking at these things. They're everywhere. They are everywhere. They're the V-Manners, my V-Manner video. They're the same thing. And the frequency is this is the repeating patterns, the skywriting. The skywriting is bigger, but it's the same, exactly the same as these little ones, all through. That's the frequency, that's the blue beam. And these stop moving. These, they're all the same thing. See how they're all flashing? Flashing, flashing, flashing. All through the clouds. Flashing. Here. And this is what amazed me today. All of these little straight lines flashing. They're the same thing. They're the orbs. They're the V-Manners. It's all the same thing. More there. Yeah, they're the wispy bits on the edges of the clouds. This is in front of a storm front, which didn't happen. The same thing happened yesterday. Storm front didn't happen. The clouds always do this. They dissolve. They go wispy around the edges and then dissolve, and all this energy, which is the static. It's the glitter. When I film the moon, there's static and glitter every time. That's what these things are. It's all the same thing. This is what I see anyway. This is what I see, my opinion, based on a lot of observation throughout the years. This one's a cool one. Check that out. Check it out. Look, another one there. lots of activity over here. It's just, these things are everywhere. This is the control. This is the weather manipulation, and they're a permanent fixture in the sky. This is the deception. This is the frequency. This is how they create all the weird, all the holograms, all the fake stuff. The plasma screen, it's like a grid. You can almost see it here with the chemtrail clouds. These things are the grid. I've seen the grid lines. Just after sunset, when the sky goes all staticky, and it's okay. We know what our sunsets do. Lately, the sunsets, it starts to go dark and then it goes bright again. After the bright, when the sky goes that unnatural bluey green colour, just between that and darkness, I've seen the grid lines, and they're made up of static. The whole sky is static, and it's these flashy things. Anyway, the video has ended. I didn't want to be talking for this long. I don't know if I'm going to put this up on my channel. Anything to do with 418, as I said, involves results in ridiculous amount of targeting and lots of technical shenanigans. Okay, so to whoever sees this, if anyone does, be safe. Please don't be deceived, and much love. Please turn inwards, and don't focus so much on the matrix anymore, because it's done. It's dissolving before our very eyes. Things are going to get very weird very quickly, and a lot of people are going to fall for it. So it's time to turn inwards. Okay, much love, and see ya.